BJP has now amplified Prime Minister Modi's attack on the Congress party, saying that while NDA is reducing the tax pressure on Aam Aadmi, it is the Congress party that continues to loot the Aam Aadmi. This is a post that has been put out by Pradeep Bhandari of the Bharatiya Janata Party, wherein he has said, and I quote, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji exposes Congress party's loot tantra. In Himachal Pradesh, the Congress government imposed tax on additional tax on cement. Prime Minister Modi's government reduced GST to make it more affordable for common man to build homes. Congress party increased local tax to prevent benefit to reach common man. Congress is anti-people, anti-poor. So this is the attack now coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party on this new tax on cement, in fact, that has been put by the government in Himachal Pradesh. Let's go across to Pradeep Bhandari of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Good evening, Mr. Bhandari. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Now, this is clearly a very, very important issue because we are seeing across India prices of essentials, you know, for roti, kapda, as well as building a makan. Because of cement tax going down. But in Himachal Pradesh, just one day after this GST reform kicked in, we saw the government levying, this additional tax.
Well, as the Honorable Prime Minister rightly exposed the Congress party's loot sarkar and Rahul Gandhi's anti-poor and anti-common man mindset, this tells you that how much the Congress party hates the progress of the middle class. This is why for the last 70 years when the Congress was in power, it did not provide any income tax relief, it could not get GST, and the inflation was double digit when the Congress was in power. This also exposes the model of the Congress party that for petty politics, the Congress is also okay to provide pains to the middle class and to provide financial pain to the Aam Aadmi. This tells you that Congress and Rahul Gandhi precisely are anti-people, they are anti-growth, they do not want the middle class savings to increase.
All right, Mr. Bhandari, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We have a reaction coming in from Shehzad Poonawala of the BJP as well. Listen in.
यही है कांग्रेस पार्टी का खटाखट मॉडल। एक तरफ मोदी जी ने बचत उत्सव की शुरुआत की नवरात्र के पहले दिन से जीएसटी 2.0 से रोटी कपड़ा मकान डेली आइटम्स हेल्थ एजुकेशन सब कुछ सस्ता हो गया। सीमेंट तक सस्ता हुआ। जो 30% टैक्स पर होता था प्री जीएसटी में वो 18% पे आया। मतलब पहला घर आपका सस्ता हो सकता है। परंतु दूसरी ओर सुखू सरकार ने सीमेंट पर ही टैक्स बढ़ा दिया। मतलब कि जनता को कोई राहत नहीं मिलेगी। इस सरकार ने तो टॉयलेट पर टैक्स लगा दिया। इस सरकार ने डीजल के दाम बढ़ा दिए। इस सरकार ने इस प्रकार की आर्थिक नीतियां चलाई कि हिमाचल का डेट बढ़ गया और वहां पर जो वादे किए थे 1500 रुपये प्रति महिला को देंगे वो कुछ नहीं दे पाए। उल्टा टैक्स पे टैक्स और हम देख रहे हैं कि आर्थिक स्थिति पूरी तरह से चरमरा गई है। कर्नाटका हो, तेलंगाना हो, हिमाचल हो, जहाँ कांग्रेस आई वहाँ महंगाई और बर्बादी लेकर आई। ये कांग्रेस का महंगाई उत्सव है। हम तो बचत।
Let's now go across to my colleague Pragya, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, scathing attack there, that came in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he also asked, in fact, the people to be vigilant of what the Congress party and its allies have been doing.
Well, government was very wary of the benefits that should reach GST, and in fact all the officials have been told to tell the trade bodies that they need to give this benefit, pass on this benefit to the consumer. And there is another angle to this story. Many in the BJP believe that this is also this attempt by the Himachal government is also to I would say that make a GST Bachat Utsav unsuccessful. If the benefit reaches to people, then they will obviously sing songs and pains for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the government Congress government do not want that. And this is probably the reason they thought that they can put an additional tax on the cement. They will get the revenue, plus people will not have GST benefits, and they'll say that this GST Bachat Utsav is a sham. So there are two birds that they are killing with one stone, it looks like. And BJP believes that this is also a conspiracy against the common man, irrespective of what they said when the GST passed this particular GST reforms. The council, in fact, had Congress government representatives as well. They said that we are for the middle class, we are for the poor class, and that is why we agreed to it. But in action, it looks like the Himachal government is doing what is said in the GST council by their representative. They're doing exactly opposite to that.
All right, Pragya, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs. We will slip into another short break. We'll be